Today, we're diving into the surprising benefits and some side effects of common things you might not have known about. 1. Chewing gum. Chewing gum has some fascinating benefits. It not only helps to freshen your breath but can also boost concentration, reduce stress, and even help with weight management. 2. Dark chocolate. Good news for chocolate lovers. Dark chocolate, especially with high cocoa content, is packed with antioxidants and has been shown to improve heart health, boost brain function, and even help with weight loss. 3. Drinking coffee. Are you a coffee addict? Well, there's good news for you. Studies have shown that drinking coffee can increase alertness, improve physical performance, and even protect against some diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. 4. Houseplants. Did you know that having houseplants can not only brighten up your living space but also improve air quality, reduce stress, and even boost productivity? It's time to bring some green into your home. 5. Cold showers. Cold showers might not be everyone's cup of tea, but they actually have some amazing benefits. Taking a cold shower can increase alertness, improve circulation, boost immunity, and even help you burn more calories. 6. Laughter. They say laughter is the best medicine, and it's true. Laughing can help reduce stress, strengthen your immune system, and even help relieve pain. So go ahead, watch that funny video or share a joke with a friend. 7. Walking barefoot. Walking barefoot, also known as earthing or grounding, has some intriguing benefits. It can help improve balance, strengthen foot muscles, and even reduce stress by connecting you with the Earth's natural energy. 8. Listening to music. Listening to your favorite tunes does more than just lift your mood. It can also improve memory, reduce anxiety, and even help with pain management. So, turn up the volume and enjoy the benefits. 9. Green tea. Green tea has been praised for its health benefits for centuries. It's packed with antioxidants, can improve brain function, and even aid in weight loss. So, go ahead and sip on that cup of green tea. Now, let's move on to some side effects of common things that you might not have been aware of. 1. Sitting all day. We all know that sitting all day isn't great for our health, but did you know it can lead to serious health problems like obesity, heart disease, and even early death? Make sure you take regular breaks and stretch throughout the day. 2. Overuse of smartphones. Smartphones have become essential in our daily lives, but overuse can have some negative side effects. These include sleep disturbances, increased stress levels, and even a condition called text neck, caused by constantly looking down at your phone. 3. Drinking too much water. While staying hydrated is important, did you know that drinking too much water can actually be harmful? Overhydration can lead to a condition called hyponatremia, which is when the balance of electrolytes in your body is disrupted. So, make sure to drink water in moderation. 4. Wearing headphones for long periods. Listening to music through headphones can be great for focus and entertainment, but prolonged use at high volumes can lead to hearing loss or tinnitus. Make sure you take breaks and keep the volume at a safe level. 5. Spending too much time in front of screens, whether it's your computer, smartphone, or TV, can lead to eye strain, dryness, and even long-term vision problems. Remember the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break and look at something 20 feet away. 6. Consuming too much salt. Salt is a staple in most diets, but consuming too much can have negative effects on your health. High salt intake can lead to high blood pressure, heart disease, and even stroke. Be sure to monitor your salt consumption and opt for healthier alternatives when possible. 7. Prolonged use of air conditioning. While air conditioning provides comfort during hot summer days, excessive use can lead to some side effects. These include dry skin, irritated eyes, and even respiratory issues. Make sure to clean your air filters regularly and consider using a humidifier to maintain indoor air quality. 8. Skipping breakfast. We've all heard that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and skipping it can have some negative consequences. It can lead to low energy levels, poor concentration, and even weight gain due to overeating later in the day. 9. Overuse of hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer is essential for maintaining good hygiene, especially in public spaces. However, excessive use can cause skin irritation, dryness, and even disrupt the natural balance of bacteria on your skin. Make sure to use hand sanitizer in moderation and opt for washing your hands with soap and water when possible. If you have any more examples of surprising benefits or side effects, we'd love to hear them. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.